Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code 0x800f0982 in Windows 10 computer. So this Windows update with the error code 0x800f0982 is one of the common issues that happen during the installations of cumulative updates on Windows system. This error usually occurs when the update process encounters corrupted system files or conflicts with existing language pack, which result in the failure to apply the update. And some of the most prevalent causes of this error 0x800F0982 involve corruptions in either an outdated or corrupted language pack. And then I'll show you solutions that might help to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to restart your PC. Restarting can clear temporary glitches in the update process, including any lingering processes or lock files causing error. So all you have to do is to click on the start menu, and then you need to click this start button or the power button. And then you need now to tap or click this restart to rebooting this PC. But I can't execute because my screen recorder can support restarting or turn off this PC. So just click this restart, and then after rebooting, try running Windows Update again. Okay, so once you're done here at restart your PC, and the other solutions that we're going to do is to run the Windows Update Network Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then here we need to type this troubleshoot settings, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at troubleshoots, and then on right side, and then you can see this additional troubleshooters, and then click. And then here at left side navigation pane, and under at additional troubleshooters, get up and running. And the next step, then you need to tap this internet connections, and then click. And then you can see this run the troubleshooters, and then click again. So here pop up this internet connections. Then you need to follow the step-by-step procedures and methods to fix this error. So please select the issue Windows should troubleshoots. So we have two options here, like troubleshoot my connections to the internet or help me connect to a specific web page. So select one of these option settings to fix this error. Alright, so once you're done here at settings troubleshoot, and we need to close. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to reset the Windows Update components. Corrupted or incomplete update files in this folder can cause error. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then here you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to select this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and the next step, then you need to type this command keyword ipconfig // DNS. So just type this command keyword ipconfig // DNS, that is one word, and then press enter, and successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword that we need to type and enter. So just type this command keyword netsh space reset. So just type this command keyword netsh space reset, and then press enter, and successfully reset the WinSock catalog. Then we need to restart again this PC to fix this error. So we need to close the CMD, and again here at start menu, then you need to click this power button and click this restart. And after rebooting, if the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to repair corrupted system files. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then here we need to type the cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to click again or tap this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once again to open up here at administrator command prompt, and then you need to type and enter this command keyword sfc /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc is count now. That's why we will do this, because this is the command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scans all protected system files on your PC computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. And the next command keyword that we need to type and enter, so just copy this command keyword dsm space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So use keyboard shortcut Control plus C to copy this command. And then we need to paste in here, use keyboard shortcut Control plus B, and then press enter. And deploy image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And then the restore operations completed successfully. And then we need to close this CMD and then here at start menu. And then we need to restart again or reboot this PC to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.